Hello everyone. Today we have here Dr. Kinjal. She is the principal here at Bapu Gujarat Knowledge campus, and she will be answering some of our questions today. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. So the first question I would like to ask you is that being the principal here, how do you strategize about the key programs and plans for the marketing and administration of your college? And in your experience, what can an inbound student gain from studying here in your institute?
Yeah. Thank you, Sakal, for providing me the opportunity to highlight the key factors of my institute, that is the Sankar Shri Waghela Bapu Institute of Technology. I am the principal in the engineering college, and this institute is the part of the Bapu Gujarat Knowledge Village. So, I welcome all of you. See, our Bapu Gujarat Knowledge Village campus is the 10 years old and which is located near the Vasam, with the lush green campus. And this in this campus we have the various running different courses: nursing, pharmacy, BSc, engineering. And specifically, if we are talking about the engineering, then UG, PG and diploma courses we are running. So as a part of the management team, we believe the promotion of the knowledge and the education is the best way to bring the socio-economic development and the growth of the country. And our goal, as a part of this institute, our goal is to be the preferred choice of the students, faculties and the industries, and to be on the top in the discipline of engineering, having the various specializations in computer engineering, information technology, electrical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, mechanical engineering and the civil engineering, having the UG and PG courses. So our objective of imparting professional education coupled with encouraging innovation thinking, then the application of various knowledge, inculcating the professional ethics and the social responsibility, which is the important part, in an integrated form. So if as an engineering person we are considering the current situation, specifically in the COVID situation, so we know that during this lockdown period, then after the this unlock phase, we have understood the importance of the technology. What is the role of this technology in our life, right? And specifically in the education sector also. So considering these situations, we have developed the specific courses also for which are they actually demanded by the industry. And considering this industry 4.0 trend, we have also developed the various R&D laboratories. Then we are also focusing on the partnership and MOUs with the various industries also for the better placement for our students. And if we are talking about the strength of my institute, then the highly qualified faculties, then the research laboratories available at our campus. These two are the main strength of my college. So if we are talking about the various facilities in terms of practicals, practical knowledge of the particular subject, if we are talking about that, so we have set up the iOS application development based Mobinovation Center, which is actually funded by the CD government of Gujarat. And already the 2 batches have already completed their courses, certified courses from this center. And now our 3rd batch is learning the Python programming through this program. Recently we have received the grant from the AICT, because our institute is AICT approved. So we have received the grant from the AICT for the big data analytics and processing to set up that particular lab, because you know that AICT has revised the curriculum for the various disciplines, and now our AICT is focusing on the machine learning, then IoT, then the 3D printing, then the big data analytics. So now AICT is focusing on this part, and actually this emerging to cover up to impart the knowledge on this particular emerging areas. We have developed the many laboratories at our institute also. So if you will be the part of this institute, if you will, as a student, you will start your journey with us. So you can take the maximum benefit of this particular facilities available at our institutes. So now,
Yes, ma'am. So now I would like to ask you that would you like people to know about anything else about the institute that they may not know, or anything else you would like to say?
See, I already mentioned the strength or the positive sides, which are the strength of our institutes. But apart from that, I will definitely tell you that before choosing your starting your career path and before choosing your institute, if once I request personally that at least once visit our institute, so you can see the various facilities available at the institute level. Then you can meet the various professors, experts at our campus available, and also you can meet our existing students also. See, whenever your senior will gives you the feedback, so you can consider, because they are the part of your team, right? So considering that feedback also, you can choose your institute. So I am 100% sure that my alumni and current existing students will speak more compared to us.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you for the insightful interview. It was great talking to you. Thank you.
Thank you again.